Good morning. How are you today, Damien? Good. Ready for the weekend. All right, so just a little overview of where we're at, what's going on. We're going to finish up. Well, we're going to do one more assignment on proportions because there's a lot of test questions about proportions. Test questions on the WorkKeys test. So here's our overview. Next week is March, the first week of March. We're going to finish up. We have one more lesson on like looking at story problems and only finding the important information. And then we have a test on day 2. So we're final lesson day 1 with an assignment, test day 2. And then that's our last week of online learning. And then we jump into hybrid the following week, March 8th. We start hybrid. That whole week, I'm going to do test review and test prep for the WorkKeys test. So we will be like reviewing good test taking skills, how to be a better test taker, and then just like some basic math stuff. And then hopefully the week after that kind of puts us the week before spring break. We're going to take the WorkKeys test if you're in school for hybrid. So everyone will have the opportunity to take the test, and then that way we can see kind of where you guys are at, number 1. And then number 2, if you do pass and get the credit, you've got your math credit. So we will take the WorkKeys test the week before spring break. We have a quiz next week over level 5. And then today we're going to review proportions one more time. So if you go to Google Classroom, there's proportion review. It's a Google Slides assignment, and so it helps to zoom in. And so if you can't read it very well, you can use the little magnifying glass over here, zoom it into 100. So it says, whoops, wrong slide. From the choices at the bottom, find the proportion that matches the problem and drag it to the correct box, and then you're going to solve it and put the answer in this box. So if you look down here, there's proportions on the top row and answers on the bottom row. So you're going to put the proportion in the box that says proportion, and then the answer, once you solve, in the answer box. Those aren't right. I'm just showing you what to do. So that is what we're working on today. So if you guys have questions, I can show you how to do it and like draw it out and show you the correct answer, but we're just going to be working on that. So it is assigned in Google Classroom and ready for you to work on.